How do you guys maintain outside the store the walk?
You walk really fast. I just walked away.
When you go on a train, there's not going to be any Wi-Fi.
Yeah, they couldn't go
Best places in Sudbury to see, in my opinion, are Science North, the Big Nickel. There's a tour of the underground.
It's 129.
I was at Big Nichols, the dynamic earth. Whoa, it's minus 20 degree, minus 26 degrees, freezing cold. Unfortunately, it was closed. Had to stand the freezing cold for 15 minutes, and there was no ride. Next time when I visit, make sure to have a proper gloves and a proper boot. Wow, it's gonna kill. Had to walk 10 minutes down, and I'm at Deluxe Hamburgers, having red rose, which saves you from dying.